Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara has said that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah will continue in office as long as he has the confidence of the party high command, adding that there is no confusion over leadership in the state. Speaking in Mysuru, he indicated that Siddaramaiah is expected to remain Chief Minister for the full term of the Assembly. Chief Minister had also stated in the Assembly that any Congress MLA could become Chief Minister with the approval of the High Command. On the upcoming by-elections in Davangere South and Bagalkot, Parameshwara said the results would not impact the government and expressed confidence that Congress candidates would secure public support, citing the government's performance. He also raised concerns over what he described as provocative and personal political attacks, calling for restraint in public discourse. Addressing reports of LPG black marketing, the Home Minister clarified that there is no shortage of domestic LPG supply. He said police action in such cases depends on recommendations from the Food and Civil Supplies Department, which has been directed to conduct inspections at distribution points. He added that strict action would be taken against violations and emphasized that essential services such as Anganwadis, schools, hospitals, and hostels must be prioritized in LPG distribution.